on this beautiful Friday. So coming into the day, I was pretty, had a liquid bias. All right, I was bullish and also bearish at the same time. All right, so because we got this, nice push after taking all this, we're pushing higher. So I was like, all right, what did I want to see it open? Right. We inverse this gap. I was like, this is my thought process. So I wanted to see this high right here get displaced above to then get a continuation model up to all these highs. That's why they're marked out. But then I saw, okay, wait, we have a lot of low resistance liquidity to the downside right here that we can take out. And that's exactly what happened today, obviously, right? So what did I do? First trade. First trade was super unlucky, all right? We take this buy side liquidity, put in an SMT as well, and then we get an IVG right here to the downside, right? So I enter off of this IVG a little bit above, like a little tick above, and I went break even at this internal low right here. And then I was targeting London low and this, final bit of liquidity right here. And what happened? Obviously, market hates me sometimes. It pushes down, right? And then we get an absolute scam candle to stop me out at break even. And then we get generational shorts. All right. So let's go into this next one. This next one was taken on an eval, so it wasn't real money. It didn't even matter to me. First one was on the funded, by the way. So then we look at this, right? We have PM low. We have this 4-hour unfilled gap. I was like, okay, we take out all this liquidity. We could get a decent mech model from this, and that's exactly what presents itself, right? We take out all this, and then we get a 2-minute IFVG to the upside, and I was just going to target this unfilled 50-minute beautiful mech model, correct? Right. Sadly, though, when I was going to go break even, I was going to go break even at this 3-minute unfilled fair value gap, and as you can see, we do not tap into that 3-minute, and instead we reject off the 2-minute very, very heavy, and then we get stopped out for like a $200 loss on the eval. But like I said, that doesn't really matter to me. Really good trade here as well. Really good trade here as well. 2 really good trades. 1 loss on the eval, 1 break even on the funded. Should have been a win though. But yeah, those are the trades for today. 2 great trades that I would take every time. Probably this trade 50%, not 50, 70%, 100% for this trade. And yeah, those are the trades for the day. And I will see you guys in the next trade recap. Pretty quick one. I'll see you guys. Peace out.